Good morning and welcome to another Mr. Pedromo's tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to make a new Google document. The first thing I'm going to do is navigate my way to google.com. And remember, if you take the moment to add the .com, it'll take you straight to Google. Then I can click the sign in button. I'm going to use my Bo credentials, ppedromo@bonet.org, and my super secret password. And now I am logged in. Now there's a few different ways that you can create a new document, slide, Google Slide, or Google Sheet. The quickest way maybe is the Omnibox. If you've already done that tutorial, you'll know it's the waffle symbol right next to your icon. So you click that waffle and you can go to Google Docs. And then from Google Docs, you can choose a new blank Google Doc. And this will create a blank Google Doc for you. There's a quicker little way that I just discovered and I love, and that is in the URL address bar, you type in doc.new, and it will automatically create a new Google Doc for you straight through the URL address bar. And then you can title it, make a new tab, slide.new. Google is fantastic and creates a new blank slideshow for you. And lastly, sheet.new. And there I have a new blank document, slideshow, or spreadsheet. Easy as anything. All right, thank you very much. And we'll see you next time.